Thank you. This is Raymond Jiang from JCVISION Technology Inc. So it will be my pleasure to introduce the products I bring here in the ISE 2023. So just now, a lot of customers have a great interest for this model. We call it the tabletop, the power bank display, and you have the power. You have the power bank building. So and the display is a 7-inch for the size. It can be 9-inch. Also, the size can be customized. So it can one side and also can double side. So this is single side. And the back is the hard copy for the advertising. Yeah. So and from the front side, so it's the advertising on it. So it can touch. So it's mainly for developing for the restaurant. So it can be charged in the phone with the different, not only the iPhone, but different with the Type C and such kind of the connector. So it can charge in different phone. Yeah, so it can work in 8 hours a day, no problem. So for after fully charged. So if you want to know more about our power bank display, you can go to our website www.jcvision-display.com.